All right, now former Chula Vista City Councilwoman Andrea Cardenas and her brother entered into a plea agreement. Our Zara Barker is live downtown with what happened in that courtroom today and the latest in this long saga that has gone across criminal issues and across political ones as well. Zara.
Yeah, definitely, Andrew. As you saying, this situation going through criminal lines and political lines and seemingly coming to a close here today inside of the San Diego courtroom. As you know, this is a case that we have been following for months now. These allegations first coming to light around November 1st of last year. So 4 months since these allegations have really started to surface. And now just today, Andrea and her brother Jesus have entered into a plea deal.
After intense negotiations with the district attorney's office, of the 8 charges that were initially filed against my client, the district attorney has decided to dismiss 6 of them in exchange for my client entering a plea of guilty to 2 of those charges.
Andrea and Jesus pled guilty to 2 grand theft felonies against the Employment Development Department and the Small Business Administration for their alleged roles in unlawfully collecting unemployment and a pandemic-era loan.
Based on the charges and what they pled to, it shows that both Jesus and Andrea Cardenas engaged in 2 different fraud schemes.
The mistake that my client made that she's admitted to today is that she was not fully honest with the EDD in applying for unemployment benefits.
This plea deal comes just hours after Andrea's council seat was officially declared vacant Monday night and about 1 week after she resigned from city council, citing her mental health.
She's of course remorseful for what's happened over the last several months and her conduct over the past several years, but that doesn't take away from the service that she's given to her community.
Anyone who is holding public office, the public relies on them to be able to trust them, to know that they're handling public money correctly and are upright and honest.
Do you understand the maximum punishment as a result of your plea is 3 years, 8 months imprisonment, a $10,000 fine, and up to 4 years of parole?
Yes, sir.
And next up for this brother and sister duo, Jesus and Andrea. Jesus is scheduled to be sentenced inside of a courtroom on March 27th, but Andrea is scheduled to be sentenced on August 28th. That's because as part of her plea agreement that was just entered in today, there is an opportunity for her felonies to be downgraded per se to a misdemeanor, and her attorney has said that is something they will continue to fight for. Of course, more to come in the coming months on both of their sentencing. Live downtown, Zara Barker, Fox 5 News.